Hi everybody, it's Nancy from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to do a cute little STEAM project that has to do with magic writing. I know you had heard the story probably, and if you haven't, check out our Facebook and YouTube page about Curious George, and also look outside. We'll have some crafts that you can make about Curious George. But here's another fun thing that you can do it from home. So all you'll need today is a white crayon, some paper, some watercolored paints, and I like to always have paper towels, paintbrush, and some water. So what you're going to do is write a word. And so because it's Curious George, I'm going to write a special word that I think that Curious George would like. And then after you have that written, choose a color. Here's the magic though. Can you see the word? I can't see it. Let's see if we can find it. And when we color, look, surprisingly, the word starts to appear. B-A-N, what do you think it might be? I think it may be a banana. Here's another one I made earlier. Can you guess what word this might be? It's monkey for Curious George. It's okay if you don't know how to write letters yet. You can have fun having people guess what you could draw a picture and you can have people guess what it is. So I'm going to draw something and then we'll do a little paint and see if we can figure out what shape this is. So you can surprise your friends and your family with magic pictures and magic words and see if they can guess what it is. Did you guess what it was? It's a heart. You can also write letters for words like colors. But the fun thing is you can make it a magic trick. You can say, look, I can write all kinds of things and you can't guess what it is. And then you can have your friends and family guess, or you can write the word and let them paint and see if they can figure out what the words are that you're painting. This technique is an art technique and it's called Crayon Resist because you use a crayon but it doesn't take the paint. And this one says you because you're special too. So try these at home and let us know what fun words you've created that are magic. Thanks for joining us at the Danville Public Library and hope to see you soon. Bye.